Hi, I'm Jess, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Andis Ionic Ceramic Hair Blow Dryer.
Want less stress, you gotta rock out with the best. I'm talking just so blessed, I'm talking just so blessed.
I purchased this hair dryer a few days ago, and I have freshly washed my hair, so now I'm going to blow dry it, and I'm going to be doing a review on this. I have the wide comb attachment, and I'm going to be using this on medium heat. So I'm going to dry my hair, and we'll see the results at the end. Stick around. Okay, so I am going to put some heat protectant on my hair, and this is the ORS, olive oil, heat protection serum. This is the heat protectant that I normally use whenever I blow dry my hair. All right, and this is pretty good. You don't need to use a lot. And what I normally do is I will put it on one section of my hair and rub it all through. Make sure the hair is well coated. I'm going to start with the back section of my hair, and then I'm going to speed up the video because this is going to take a while. Okay, make sure the hair is detangled. And by the way, I am 10 years natural now. It's been 10 years since I used a relaxer. And this natural hair journey has been a very interesting one. Okay, so I'm all done blow drying my hair. So now it's time for my honest opinion. Now, I really do love how this blow dry my hair. It gets really close to the roots. I have a Rev brush hair dryer, and that does not get close to the roots, and this gives a better flow of heat, whereas the brush, it really doesn't do a good job of getting my hair straight. So I do like this hair dryer. I love the comb attachment. Okay, and overall I feel like it did a pretty good job at getting my hair somewhat straight. Now I did use some heat protectant that's kind of greasy, so my hands kept slipping on this. Sometimes it would end up here, but the good thing is it did not burn me. My Rev hairbrush dryer that thing gets really hot, and if you put your hands anywhere near where the heat comes from, you will get burned. But this here, I had my hand at one point, I was holding it like this, and you know, I didn't get burned. So overall, I love this, and I feel it was a great buy. I believe I purchased it for $23 or something like that from Amazon. This here is a really good blow dryer. It's nice, it's small, it's not bulky, and it's a great buy. All right, so let me show you what it looked like. I like it. It got pretty close to my roots. Like I said, whereas the brush does not, the Rev brush dryer does not get that close to the roots. Okay, so that's it for this review. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.